everybody. I am just getting set up for tonight's shoot, which is going to be a big, important panning, establishing shot, revealing my entire fake studio setup here. First of all, here's my PA who, inserted himself into the end of yesterday's shot, and I just want to show you how large this guy's more than twice as big as all the other figures, but I used forced perspective to kind of just sneak him in the corner at the end, so I hope people didn't really realize that he was that big. But anyway, that's a tangent. But what I am doing tonight is a kind of a sweeping establishing shot that shows the entire fake studio setup that I've got here. And it's going to show my animal wrangler feeding frogs to his Rathtar. My pyro expert here, she's going to be dousing the flames with the fire extinguisher. My stage mom is going to be taking care of baby Grogu. And my stuntman is going to be here. The boom operator is going to lower the boom mic, and Pedro is going to reveal himself over in the corner here to show that it was actually the stuntman performing the previous shot that they just called cut. And of course the cameraman's here. So all of that is going to be revealed, but I also have my key grip who's going to be adjusting lights up in the corner. So I've got some lights here that I'm going to be gluing in up here, and I think that's going to look pretty cool. But it occurred to me that, on the many years I've spent, adjusting lights on sets, the way we did it was with a scissor lift, not with a ladder or anything like that. So I thought to myself, geez, could I make a scissor lift? Do I have just random stuff around the house to make a scissor lift? And I think I actually do. I've got a bunch of random parts here, other Star Wars toy parts, and one piece from a Kenner Aliens toy. I think that's fair. But these are pieces from an old the Imperial Troop Transport. This is a busted piece from Landspeeder seats. This is a newer thing from Hasbro, but it's you might recognize it as the transporter around the Rebel base. And then I've got some pieces here from the Death Star PlayStation, but you might notice that they've been altered. I spray painted these years ago, safety yellow, and added some reflective tape detail because I made this previously into a forklift droid that I called the 4Q5000, a reference to 4Q2 Hardware Wars, of course, but spelled differently, because that was a forklift droid. Anyway, I broke it apart because I don't even remember where half the pieces are for that. I don't even remember what it was for. But I had it lying around, and it occurred to me that I could piece these together into kind of a basket, and maybe this piece is underneath the basket as kind of a, just sort of basically to extend the and to hide the I'm going to just glue this crap together, so this is sort of how it's going to be, something like that. And I'm not really sure what to do with these yet. I think we just put them around the, I'm not sure, but I've got to use these for something. And so that's basically it. Wish me luck. It could be fun. Okay, this is my key grip, Carl, and here we have the brand new 4Q5000 scissor lift that I just finished building. And as you can see, the basket's a little warped, but sort of works. The basket's up here on top of the scissors, and I've got all these safety features. Check this out. Got some safety lights and some brake lights in the back, and this is some bright lights that I used for that. And anyway, I think it's looking pretty good. It's a little top heavy, but now we can put Carl in here and he can reach up to these lights that are now mounted up there. So that's pretty much it. I mean, that turned out way better than I kind of expected it to. I mean, I've spent a lot of time in a scissor lift, so this really makes me happy. What do you think? Leave a comment.